rise.
Thank you. Please be seated. The case before the court is the State of Ohio plaintiff versus George Washington Wagner III, defendant, case number 2018 CR 155. Today, state for the record is September 13, 2021. This is scheduled as a pretrial hearing and hearing of motions. The defendant is present in court today. He is accompanied by both of his attorneys, John Patrick Parker and Richard Nash Jr. The defendant is appearing in civilian clothing without visible restraints. The State of Ohio is represented by the prosecuting attorney, Rob Junk, Special Prosecuting Attorney, Angela Canepa, Special Prosecuting Attorney, David Henry Wilson, Special Agent Ryan Scheider of Ohio DCI, and I is also present. Due to an emergency, the court stenographer, the one we've contracted with to do this stenographic record, was unavailable today. We've made a couple of other attempts to get another stenographer here. We have been unable to do that. And I'll have counsel acknowledge whether what I'm saying is accurate, but we've had discussions in chambers, and there are several pending motions. However, some of those may be withdrawn, and there may be more motions filed. So counsel for the state and the defense have agreed to have those motions heard on the afternoon of October 25 at 1:30. There was some discovery recently given by the state to the defense, which the defense needs to decipher and analyze, which will also be of aid, presumably, for the motion hearing on October 25 at 1:30. There is one other matter, however. The defense has approached the court for an allocation of funds for consulting experts. That is an ex parte proceeding, as counsel understands, permitted by the criminal rules. With the consent, if both parties agree, the court will permit those arguments to be placed on the record by defense counsel in the absence of the state's representatives pursuant to Criminal Rule 42. Without a stenographer being here, both sides will waive the requirement of the stenographer for that portion of what we're doing today. Counsel for the state, is that acceptable to the state?
It is, Your Honor.
That permits the court to consider the allocation of funds for these experts today rather than to wait until October 25, and so that saves roughly 6 weeks of time. That's acceptable with the defense as well?
Yes, that's our preference, Your Honor.
Mr. Wagner, you've had several minutes with your attorneys today. I'm sure you've had time with them and with their agents or people that they have hired prior to today. Are you satisfied with the access that you're having with your attorneys and with the people that they have employed to come and talk with you?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the services that your attorneys are providing?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything, do you have any problems that you wish to bring to the attention of the court? You can discuss that with your attorneys before answering if you wish to.
No, sir.
All right, okay. And to the attorneys, are you satisfied with the access that you and your people that you employed are having with the defendant?
Absolutely, Judge.
Does the state have anything you wish to place on the record here, other than what we've already said?
Yeah.
Does the defense have anything else?
No, thank you, Judge.
All right. Then we are adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Janet.
push, I think you gotta push.
It's got to push down. Down above. Thank you.
Yes.